Okay, so I have a presentation that I want to put my doodle slide onto my second BenQ. So what I'm going to do is I will just go to the sidebar to be able to open up either Quick Launch, because you want to open up the Instashare2 app. So once you are here in the Instashare2 app, you're going to notice down here you have a little icon. You're going to open that up, and then you'll notice your gears, and that is your settings. And you're going to go through and you're going to make sure that you have allow board to device screen sharing, but also right here where it says board to board sharing. If that says off, you're going to click it to toggle it on. And you should notice I've already connected to my other board, so it pops up here. This is the name of my BenQ board too, but if it was not showing up, I would click add, and then give it a second and it will show up. Other BenQ boards will show up for their number, and it's usually by your room number. So then you would click on it and you would press apply, and then that's how you would get to this screen. But the reason why it's not connecting is because once I'm here, I need to go to my second BenQ and sign in as a guest. So when you're at your second BenQ, you're just going to hit guest. You're not going to use your NFC card. You'll just sign in as guest. Okay, so once you're signed in on your second BenQ, you're going to open up the Instashare2 app. And this one, since you're signed in as guest, you'll notice that the gears is grayed out. You don't have as much control, but that's okay. As long as you're signed in as Instashare2, you can also see right here that's your board name. So that's what you want to be looking for on your first BenQ board, so you're connecting to the right board. So once I'm here, I go back to my first BenQ. Okay, so when I'm back at my first BenQ, again, I can click on that little icon, and I'll notice when I go to board sharing, I can do add, and then right here is my second BenQ board, so I'll check that, press apply, connection successful, confirm, and then now I will notice that on both BenQs it is now the same screen.